shit, ready.
I know.
Alright, so we're starting day 2. We stayed at a homestay for the first night, which was awesome. It was actually pretty comfortable. Gorgeous out here. It took us on a boat. That's me. Thanks. Left my wet shorts. Alright. Trying to vlog here, man. Damn it. Alright. Stayed at the homestay, which is awesome because they made us like a home-cooked meal, took us out to the lake and stuff. I see a video of us swimming and everything. All the beer, home-cooked meal, place to sleep, everything was awesome. We paid, it was including a tip, 200,000 dong, which is like $8 or something. I don't know, I'll put the actual conversion up. But yeah, it was super cheap. So we're getting ready to start day 2. I'll be riding in that and see what today brings. I think today said the level's gonna kick up. We'll be doing more dirt. Hey man, you playing this? Why you met your bike so well? All right, you guys might want to record this part. Wait, I didn't even stretch. Dude, that was so great.
There's a reason she's alone. You can't pin her down because no one needs her home and needs her around. She says there's beauty in the hills, drip in the sky. So don't be sad because I won't. It keeps me alive. To impress her, it's too damn hard. Stay loyal without going too far. If I see her again, promise I won't she's having fun, doing what she wants to, and send a postcard or two from the sights sometime. To impress her it's just too damn hard, and I want her back but she's gone too far. If I see her again, promise I won't cry.
No, where are you going? No, burning's what you get when you have too many girls from Tinder.
Burning sensation, yeah. I don't know what the fuck it is.
Yeah, I know, that's why I want to go behind you. I got the camera. Hey man, y'all can't stop there. Oh shit, ready?
I know if you stop. Stop, go to the right. Where's the hammer go? He stopped and I was like, I got nowhere to go, brother.
I know, man.
You got the other two over there to get shot.
Hey, why did he try to go up that without any speed? Oh yeah. This is where it's going to be more rear brake. The front will wash out and that's how you eat shit. Fucking neutral. That's twice it did it to me. Alright, just finishing up day 2. We're in, where are we at, Craddy? Hagang? I'll put the words up on the screen because I don't know how to pronounce it. Tonight we're staying in a resort and it's amazing. I'll take the camera around and show you guys. And I'm going to post some pictures. They'll be on my Instagram. Follow me on Instagram. Probably some on Snapchat, and then of course my Ruck and Scott Facebook page. So everything should be Ruck and Scott. Follow me there. We're gonna get some dinner. First I need a shower. Tomorrow we're supposed to be getting into some dirt, so it's gonna go up, so I'll have more video of that. Today it's just been a lot of city riding again, lunch, stuff like that. But yeah, take it around. Have a massage here. It's $25 for a massage. But I guess we're at like the top of the city, and we're really close to China. Yeah, it's pretty amazing here though. Vietnam is definitely an awesome place to ride and visit. It's cheap. I think I paid like 80 cents for a beer.
What's up?
Really?
Yeah.
That scares the shit out of me.
Alright. We get to ride the Swan. Oh, is this what we're supposed to do? Because that's really tight, man. Okay. Dude, we gotta go backwards. I think this steers it.
Yeah, that's the
Oh, well, you gotta steer, man.
I think I'm gonna pull in here.
Alright. I got video, don't worry.
Alright.
Wait, we got a problem. I gotta open my beer.
Already on it. Alright, we're good now. Just cut it
Oh,
hard.
one-handed. Oh, that's why I got real hard. I'm trying to go backwards and trying to go forward.
Why is it on leaking?
We're sinking. Hey, man, you need to turn. We gotta go that way.
I am. This bitch don't turn no more. I'm more concerned about the water in the boat now. What the fuck did it go for?
Yo, I'm trying to shit already.
Hell yeah.
There goes Craddy and Lou.